Today, we're making a quick Chettinad chicken curry with a rich blend of spices and flavors. Start by marinating the chicken in yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and salt for 1–2 hours. Next, blend coconut, poppy seeds, and fennel seeds into a smooth paste for added richness. In a pan, sauté whole spices, onions, and curry leaves until they turn golden and aromatic. Add the spice powders and tomatoes, cooking until the oil separates for a deep, flavorful base. Now, add the marinated chicken, followed by the spice paste, allowing it to cook for 5 minutes. Simmer the curry until the chicken is tender, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves for a burst of color and added freshness. Serve the Chettinad chicken curry, hot with rice or bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy the rich and aromatic flavors of this Chettinad chicken curry with your loved ones.